Okay, now we're going to listen for words that sound alike at the beginning. So put your finger on the picture of the bat. Okay, bat has the sound B at the beginning. Here we've got a bird. Here we've got lips and ring. Which sound is the same as the beginning of bat? Which one? I can't really tell what you're pointing to. Bird, okay. Let's do rain. Rain bus, rain foot, rain rake.
I have a rake.
Yeah, which one sounds the same? Thank you, you're pointing to rake. Sun. Sun door, sun seal, sun car. Which one sounds the same at the beginning as sun? I can't tell which one. What are you pointing to? Thank you, silly. Here we've got cup. Cup cone, cup 6, cup belt. Which sounds at the beginning as cup? Thank you for pointing to cone. Here we've got hat. Hat. Hat mop, hat hose, hat bell. Which one sounds the same? Thank you. Let's do 5 more. We've got van. Van hay, van vine, van comb. Which sounds the same at the beginning as van? Van vine. Here we've got deer. Deer leaf, deer sink, deer doll. Thank you. Sheep. Sheep shoe, sheep kite, sheep wheel. Sheep shoe. Well. Well be, well nose, well watch. Wow, last one. Paint. Paint gum, paint pen, paint key. Thank you.